Okay, so welcome back to Green Lane Woods. It's another day, Saturday. Today we're going to try and see what we can get. Good news, this has been eaten away with, and I'm going to check the trail cam to see what we've caught or what's coming down. I know for a fact the magpies are coming down, I've just seen it. I did have to clean up the dish because something decided to take it down. So we're going to fill that back up. Has made it a bit messy. We're going to fill it back up and encourage birds to come down there, and we might try that tomorrow. I'm going to sit over there this time, looking at the feeders, which is near where Dora is at the moment, and we'll see what we can get. Okay, so looking at some of those photos or videos, still disappointed. I know they're tiny birds, but still, you should pick them up. There was an opportunity to get the nuthatch and it just missed it. Just didn't focus on it. So, I don't know what to think at the moment. I'm not... Would I rely on it? Absolutely not. Short answer, no. Would be nice if I got something bigger, maybe that would be better. But still, should pick them up. Can anyone tell me what I'm doing wrong? Or is it the camera doing wrong? So I've decided to move the camera. I've now got it pointing directly at the nut, which the nuthatch has just gone on this instant. Zoomed it in a little bit and changed the position of the camera so it's got more space behind it. Maybe that'll help with an autofocus, who knows. waiting all day for it. The woodpecker has just come down just as I was clearing out the videos off the memory card because it filled up, and he's just come down and settled on the nuts. So I ran over, I snuck over once he finished to go and fill it up and get it set on the nuts to take some photos or video. So fingers crossed he will come back. So that's Saturday over. I'm leaving the feeders up there. I got a feeling that they might be taken down tonight or tomorrow because I have been spotted out here, and I know they don't like feeders. They say it's unnatural, but then who knows? I personally think, well, give them a hand during the winter, give them some nuts. They love the nuts because of the fat, and obviously the fat ball type things that I've got set up there. The nuthatch is loving. So yeah, still not impressed. Go home tonight because the battery's run out and it is starting to spit again, and we'll have a look at the footage and come back tomorrow afternoon because it's supposed to be raining in the morning.